All right, everybody, we're back here at VCD again with another video for the FL5. Yeah, we're still here, almost done tearing down the FK8. Actually, not tearing down, just putting her back to stock. A few more parts to go. Lewis over here is helping us out. We're gonna go ahead and put my old spoon valve cover on the new FL5, along with possibly a few other goodies. We've polished it up. We've gone ahead and made this thing nice again. Lewis can't wait. I can't wait. The donor giving us all our parts. Poor gal over here. And then this guy over here. We got Lewis here doing some exploratory surgery on the FL5 today. This is all uncharted. First time we start taking stuff off. Yeah, we're pretty much almost done putting the good old FK8 back to stock. As you could tell, we're also going to take off a few more parts, but it's not as easy as it was before when we used to do all these things. We have to take all these parts off in order to get to the screws back here in order to take the valve cover off. And yeah, Lewis is just going all in. Let's just see if the inlet pipe works. This is his sneakiness. That's why he took the valve. That's why he's taking all this off, actually. He just wants to be sneaky. Engine cover is off. Lewis is stuck on wanting to open this guy up. Right, Lewis?
Yeah, let me so I would open it already. Would have been off already.
Also new to the shop is this little tray here, because your boy over here complained night and day, huh, Lewis? I complained night and day on how, nothing bad, but just I felt that they needed a tray to put all the nuts and bolts and tools, just to be a little bit more, streamlined here in the process. So they went ahead and bought this, and we're using it on my car.
Every other customer had it, except for you. That was it. It was just you. Just to put that out there.
All right. One noticeable difference from the FK to the FL5, the intake hose, I honestly think it's larger diameter than the
that's what I'm
Type
saying.
R one over here. I think they made this part bigger compared to this. This is about the same size, but the FL5 is the whole thing. Yeah, the inlet
I think
itself.
the PRL one's gonna fit.
See, look at that. The inlet looks a lot larger in diameter. That's why he's convinced that it'll work. I don't know if I want to do free R&D for PRL. Okay, so far, spot check time. Back here, we got the reservoir tank moved over a bit.
Completely removed.
Lewis went ahead and already disassembled the wiring harness up here on top, freeing up all this space just to make the install a little bit easier and cleaner when we do the spoon valve cover. All right, Radium, here you go.
Yep. Identical. Literally. Identical. You want to bolt it up to make sure?
Yeah, why would you even need an inlet pipe?
Because it tapers down here.
Can't wait to see the yellow spoon valve cover on. It's gonna look pretty sick. Okay, here we go. Oh, and she's off, folks. Anything different you see in here compared to the FK8? Okay. Just cleaning her off, making sure all the Honda bond is off, the oil's off. See, he's gonna take like these little things off, like those off. Damn, fool, brand new Honda bond for the FL5. Damn, I should feel honored. I mean, look, there's one right here already used. Look. I guess not, huh? Here's a used one. Here, just use that one. No, look at him. He's like, no. Nothing but the best. All right, I'm just doing the final touches here on the valve cover. Lewis had a bunch of little goodies here that I can use to clean the valve cover up real quick, give it a nice little facelift. We didn't really need to paint it like we did last time, but it's looking crispy. Ready, doctor? It's on. Damn. Never ceases to amaze me how this spoon yellow just looks so sick. Loved it when it was on this car. I'm gonna love it now on this car. You know, low-key, on another note, dude, doesn't this feel like when you watch Joey's videos, like those late night Osaka videos where you see dudes working, you know, inside of their garages all late night, just hanging out, doing random shit? This is how this feels like, to be honest with you.
Late night Tokyo videos or what?
Yeah, it's like literally what it feels like. Yeah, valve cover looks great so far. Lewis taking his time, putting it on, because even though, again, we've repainted this to give it a little, you know, facelift, but no matter what, even when you buy it brand new from Spoon, you got to be careful with this because this thing chips crazy. Like, remember, this is a new platform. We really don't know what to expect once everything's back up and plugged in and ready to go. But so far, I think based on his confident 15 out of 10 level, actually, he is pretty sure we're not gonna have any issues. Everything's gonna roll smoothly.
Get all the jazz in there, you know?
Complete the transformation. Dude, I was low-key waiting for it to be sideways.
No. Not with me, bro.
All right, a little highlight time here. This is the inlet pipe / plenum to the new Type R. It's a nice piece, don't get me wrong. I honestly would like to get this piece Cerakoted. If PRL or if I get a check engine light, I will definitely take this over to our powder coater / Cerakote guy. They'll take care of it. Dude, we're gonna ship these over to him for sure, dude. These are in pristine shape. We're gonna get these Cerakoted again. The other one has a couple battle wound marks, and that's because of the space that the FK has, as you could tell. So you know, when you end up pulling it out, you end up scratching it a little bit. This one, as you can tell, has so much room. I mean, maybe if that part was here too, take off all that room.
Yeah.
You know, but they learned. Thank you, Honda. Made it a little bit easier. As you can tell, it's gonna make it a breeze to do turbo swaps, downpipe swaps.
I feel like this is their last one. They're like, just give them whatever they want. Give it all of it.
Give them what they want. Yeah, give the people what they want. But like Mark said, they should have given us some adjustable coilovers.
No limit? All right.
No limit.
Honda's like, all right.
Platinum card, just throw it on there. Screw it. Making progress. Look at this. Thanks to Lewis, we went ahead and got the heat shrouds all done. We're gonna send these out to the Cerakoter soon, see how they come out. And then we're just taking care of a few extra little other parts that are gonna make the engine bay a little nicer. And then this cat, man, this cat, I tell you, it's like possessed or something. But look at it, big giant difference. I mean, valve cover sticks out, but look at that, just the black heat shrouds.
Oh, they haven't even seen the other part yet.
I'm gonna save that to the end. That way, you know, we can give a little bit of suspense here. Hope you guys watch to the end. Final product. Okay, I'm gonna give a little update here. Lewis has been slaving away here, literally working on the FL5, but I mean, we're not even done yet. But look at this. Just the contrast of how the engine looked before with the silver accents, the plenum there. Yeah, it had a little nice Type R deal, and you know, my OCD is catching these two here. Hopefully PRL comes out with the pipe. We'll go ahead and buy it and just replenish it once we get the expansion tank on. I think it'll just complete the look of the vehicle. And Hasport, call your boy. Like I'm telling you, hit us up. I know you guys are working on it. Let me test them out. Hit me up. All right, you guys ready for this? We're all done here. Lewis already buttoned up the car. Everything's all set. It did take a minute just because we were doing a lot of R&Ding, making sure that certain parts fit. But here's the final product. You tell me what you think. Nope, this is not the FK8. The FK8's right here. This is the FL5. And this is what it's gonna start looking like, boys and girls. This is what we made sure that all these parts lined up. Took a little finessing. Our boy Lewis went ahead and took care of us here at VCD. For all you FL5 owners, hit him up and get in here and start working on your car if that's what you want to do. We went ahead and took a leap here. Leap of faith is what I'm gonna call it. And we were able to make not one, but 2 or 3 parts. We didn't get a chance to do the throttle body, which we will at a later time. But so far, I am super happy with the end result here. We did the heat shield. We did the inlet pipe. We went ahead and put the spoon valve cover. And we also did the radium expansion tank. This is ready to rock, man. Too bad we're not fully ready for the track yet. We need to still get some more low in the car. We're also still waiting on transferring the Paragon 2-piece floating rotors from the FK8 over to the FL5. I'm quite happy with the result here. I mean, look at this. This blows my mind. I mean, honestly, I really appreciate Lewis for spending the time. I know this is helping him out and me out. Again, my OCD is driving me crazy with the Batman ears over here. But for now, this looks amazing. I can't wait to show it off. We're gonna be down at the Chronicles meet. That's coming up. So for you guys that are going to the Chronicles meet tomorrow, as a matter of fact, you guys will get a nice little sneak peek. You guys stuck around to the very end. I hope you did. Make sure you hit up Lewis over at VCD Racing. And again, we're gonna keep on trying to pump out new stuff for the FL5 now that we are up and running on it. Don't forget to watch him on his channel, VCD Racing. Again, I keep pushing you guys to go over there because eventually he'll be carrying the boatload of the installs and everything that we do. I'll be more like vlogging and doing my perspective, but he's gonna get a little bit more in depth with the vehicles like he just did on his Thanksgiving special on this Integra, like I said earlier. So make sure you smash the subscribe button for him, the like button, and we'll see you guys out on the track.